Hey folks, today I want to do a case study video about the OEM smartwatch case study from the traditional watch field for any of you out there who are thinking about OEM smartwatch from China. OEM smartwatch background. According to the insights of CXO of the leading companies, there is a rapid increase in the adoption of smartwatches among end users. Traditional watches are replaced with smartwatches that provide more usability, functionality, and convergence similar to smartphones, which captured the market 2 decades ago. Brand from the traditional watch field wants to start OEM for the smartwatch market and needs custom boot logo. According to the sales area, we recommended the above appearance smartwatch for the customer and designed the box according to the customer's brand tone. According to the customer's logo and brand color, we provide the customer with the box and manual design solutions for the customer to choose from. Let's talk results. Please let me summarize the key points of OEM custom smartwatch options from the traditional watch field. Custom packing box, custom user manual, custom logo on the watch, custom logo on the strap, custom Bluetooth name, custom boot logo. Reviews from customer. As shown in the screenshot above, the customer's comments on this OEM order. We are satisfied of last order CIP and want to continue with you. There you have it. That was the OEM smartwatch case study from traditional watch field roundup. If you have similar OEM smartwatch customization needs and get a free OEM custom smartwatch solution, send me an email at info@ewasmartwatch.com.